Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's project, we're going to be replacing a smoke alarm with a new one. Now, the chances are the old alarm is not going to fit into the bracket, so don't even try to use that. Use the bracket that comes with the new smoke detector. All right, there's an example of what kind of tools you're going to need. We're going to need a drill. We're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. We can use a stud detector, or in this case, it's a joist detector for the ceiling. We're going to measure so we have it centered in the area that we're going to put it, an assortment of drill bits, and some tape so that we can mark on the ceiling where we want to put the smoke detector. These are the drywall anchors that came with it. We don't know for sure if we're going to use these. Depends on where the joist is in the ceiling. If there's a joist is in the line where we're going to put the screw, then obviously we are not going to use the anchor. We're just going to put the screw right into the joist. All right, so let's go up and let's measure it out and get started. Now, putting the smoke detector in a room, that's personal preference. It depends on where you want to mount it. This just happens to be the location I mounted it in because it's close to a doorway, which leads in from a hallway. Now, the previous smoke detector that was in here was in a really foolish location. You want to have it someplace that if the smoke was to billow into a room, that it would pick it up as soon as possible. In this particular case, they put the smoke detector in the furthest corner away from everything in this room, which is not a good location. That's a dead air space over there. It will go off, but it will take a long time before that smoke detector turns on. Let me show you where it's located and where you're not supposed to mount it. Now you can see where that bracket is on the ceiling there. As you can tell, I already removed the smoke detector and got rid of it. And now we're going to take that bracket down, and that's it. This job will be finished. Okay, so the first thing you can do is, you saw we put a piece of tape up here on the ceiling, and the reason we did that is because we measured from one wall to the other, which comes to 40 inches. So we are going to put this smoke detector right in the middle of the opening here, and obviously that's going to be 20 inches. Now, we don't know if there's a joist underneath here or not, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our stud detector, and we're going to see if a joist shows up in the ceiling there. Now, you know a stud detector works by just pressing it on, and you slide it. All right, so we may have a joist right there, and it's going to go for 1.5 inches right there. So most likely we are not going to hit a joist up in there, but what we're going to do just to play it safe, we're going to take our bracket, put it up here like this, mark the ceiling, and we're going to drill a small little 1/16 pilot hole to make sure that the joist is not in that location. All right, so let me mark it, and we'll get our drill out and drill it in. Okay, so now we have our marks right here. Let's grab our 1/16 inch drill bit and drill a small hole in there. Okay, so here we go. Now you can see how that goes right through, so we know there's no joist in that location there. Let's try this one. And here you can see there's no joist in there either. So let's drill these holes out to the correct size to accommodate the drywall anchor. Okay, now I hear this all the time. How do you know what size drill bit you need for the wall anchor? And basically what you do is just take the bit out that you believe is going to be the correct one, take your anchor, put it in there, and it should go at least halfway into the hole itself. Remember, it's always better to be a little bit too small and drill it bigger than to drill it too big and then the anchor doesn't fit properly. All right, so we're going to go with this one right here, and we'll get up there and we'll drill it out. Let's grab a hammer, let's tap that in place. You want to tap these in until they're pretty much flush and they can't go any further in. Obviously we're going to take this off. Okay, we're going to catch our first screw. I'm going to tell you screw it in by hand. Don't use a electric screwdriver because you don't want to over tighten it and cause a problem. Okay, we'll take our smoke alarm, just put it in, and it should snap right in place. Just like that, and that's all there is to it. Obviously, you want to test it, and we know it's working good. And I hope this video was helpful and can help somebody out. Again, if you don't have the stud detector, just drill a tiny little pilot hole, and you don't have to worry about hitting a joist in the ceiling. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.